You turn off tracking on your phone, but your phone is still watching you flash. Let me show you the setting Google does not talk about. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK FutureTech. You trusted source for Android secrets, AI truth, and powerful tech hacks. Most people turn off location and think tracking is stopped, but this one setting is still activating in the background. Go to Setting, Privacy and Security, Activity Controls. Now look at this. Web at app activity is on. Even if your location is off, Google still tracks what you search, which apps you open, what you watch. Tab Web at app activity, turn it off. Also turn off including voice at IDU. Now tracking is really stopped. But remember, if this turn on again, your phone start tracking automatically. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI at Android secrets, and comment stop below.